Hello friends, so in this video I will show you how you can run SQL Server in Docker. So first of all you need to create this docker compose file. So I create this docker compose file inside my SQL Server folder. So if you open this file, you will see I set a version, and in the services I have this SQL where the image is I set as MCR, which is nothing but the images that I get from the Docker Hub. So if you go to the Docker Hub and search for the SQL Server, I picked this image 2019 GA stands for general availability. So I use this image for this video, and in the port I map the SQL Server port with my local 1466, and in the environment variable I set the license for user as a just set any password. I use this password, and finally I'm using the developer edition. So once you set this docker compose file, the next step is to run this docker compose file. So just navigate to the directory where you have this docker compose file, which is SQL Server in my case. And the next step is so actually I'm already running, so I need to start this first. So just run the docker compose up in the background. So what will happen is the Docker will first search for that image, and if it doesn't exist in your system, it will download that image from the Docker Hub. In my case, it is a bit quicker because I already installed, downloaded that images from the Docker Hub. But if you are installing for the first time, then it may take some time. But once you have downloaded the images from the Docker Hub, then it will start the Docker container. So you can check. You can see like this container is being running, which means our SQL Server is running in your container. The next step is to connect your SQL Server to Management Studio. So just run the Management Studio, disconnect, connect, and in the server name just put the localhost, comma, and followed by the port number that you set over here, 1466, and also set the password to this one. So and copy paste the password. See, you can easily connect your SQL Server which is running in the Docker. Hope this video helps you, and thank you for watching.